Hi, I'm Lyle from Volt Bikes, and this is the very popular Volt Kensington. The Kensington's probably one of the most stylish electric bikes on the market. It's even been called the prettiest electric bike from the Guardian newspaper. But not only is it attractive, it's also practical and well spec'd. So as you can see, the Kensington is a step-through bike. It also has adjustable handlebar stem, so it makes it nice and simple for getting the right height and everything and moving everything around. It's nice and easy. The saddle itself is a Velo plush saddle, so it's very comfortable, and there's also suspension in the seat post too. So if you hit any bumps at all, it really does absorb them on the road, so it's nice and easy on your back. With all of the Volt range, we always use branded components when we're speccing the bikes. So the Kensington features SKS front and rear mudguards, ABUS wheel lock, SKS chain guard as well, Shimano brakes, gears, cassette and chain. Additionally, the front and rear lights run off of the main battery on the bike. And on top of that, we also have a basket, which doesn't feature on any of the other bikes, but it definitely goes well with the Kensington style. We use Shimano 8-speed Alivio gears, so it's quick shift, so it's nice and easy to use with your finger and thumb. Also, it'll give you a good ratio for tackling any hill. The motor's positioned in the rear wheel, and the battery is in the center of the frame. The motor is produced by SpinTech, and the battery is Panasonic, so it's a good, reliable system. So this particular battery can take you to distances of up to 50-60 miles, but that depends once again on hills, wind and rider effort and weight, etc. The Kensington, being one of the most popular models that we do, comes in two different frame sizes and colours. The different sizes are 17-inch frame with 26-inch wheels and a 15-inch frame with 24-inch wheels. So it really does cater for pretty much all different heights. Additionally to that, they come in cream or pastel blue. With most of the Volt range, we've added an ABUS wheel lock, and we have an additional chain lock that actually goes into the side of this, which you can attach to an immovable object, which makes the bike very secure if you're going to be locking it up at the shops or outside during the day. As well as the locks, we also have puncture-resistant tyres. These are really good to prevent small bits of glass or any sharp objects penetrating the tyre or the inner tube itself. All the bikes that feature SpinTech have the same electrical system, so all the modes are essentially all the same. I'll just quickly run through. You have 5 different levels essentially. One, which is the lowest mode, which may be about 3 or 4 miles per hour, and then all the way up to mode 4, which will give you about 15.5 miles per hour. And there's also an A mode, which works on how fast you pedal. So if you pedal very slowly, you're going to get a little bit of assistance from the motor, and if you put more effort in, you're going to get more power. 0, which is basically a mode that you can just run without the battery. It still tells you how fast you're going, and it records your overall distance, but you're not going to get any assistance from the motor. The Kensington has been very well reviewed on TV and by lots of different publications. It caters for most heights because of the different frame sizes. I would say the Kensington is really good for city, town and also countryside riding. It's a comfortable and really stylish looking electric bike. It comes with a 2-year warranty and is available at over 100 Volt dealers across the UK. For more information, visit voltbikes.co.uk.